ஹாய் ஸ்வாதி.
ஹாய் சஞ்சீவ்.
ஸ்வாதி, நிறையா பேர்த்துக்கு நேச்சுரோபதினா என்னன்னே தெரியல ஆக்சுவலி. ஓகே, அதில் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அதில் எப்படி ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் இருக்கும், ஸோ அது எப்படி ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகும் அப்படிங்கிறதுலாம் தெரியல. என்னோடய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் நிறையா பேர் எனக்கு கேட்குறாங்க, உன் ஒய்ஃப்கிட்ட கேளு இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு நேச்சுரோபதியில் க்யூர் இருக்கா இல்லையா அப்படின்ட்டுலாம். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் டெல்.
Naturopathy or nature cure or in Kannada we say Prakriti Chikitse. ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು
ಲೌಡರ್
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
ಇಯರ್ಕೈ ವೈದ್ಯಂ
ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೋಗ. ಸೊ ಆಯುಷ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಯುಷ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ.
ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್
ಆಯುಷ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ, ವೈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋಗ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರೋಪತಿ, ಯು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುನಾನಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಿದ್ಧ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ. So these are the Indian system of medicines. Okay, where it's not completely, say homeopathy is not.
Why allopathy is not been added in this Ayush?
Allopathy is in a different medicine.
Okay,
compared to all these medicines, allopathy is in a different medicines. Yes, of course, when we talk about this Ayush medicine, each and every particular region, right, they were practicing. Now let's see Siddha, right, it was in predominantly was practicing in Tamil Nadu. Ayurveda was practicing in Kerala and Karnataka predominantly. So same thing where Unani usually practice with the Muslim category of people. So homeopathy, it is actually came from the I think Europe country. So but yes, we also practice in homeopathy. These are the Ayush system where we were practicing before allopathy came. Ayurveda and yoga, yoga has been before very like when it came from Vedas, right? Ayurveda or yoga, all these things.
So, one more yoga அப்படிங்கிறது many are thinking it is sticks with some particular religion.
Yeah.
So Hindu based culture, but I am seeing many other religious people also doing this.
Let's talk about yoga and naturopathy. So first we'll talk about see, when we say yoga and naturopathy, it's the two systems. Yoga is a separate and naturopathy is a separate. But now you ask about yoga. So before, I think even 40 years before, right, this yoga was mainly practicing by the Brahmins only, if we say it, if we take it. And it is, yoga is only for like old age people, not for the youngsters, right? So it is only people who are not able to do jogging, jumping, all these things they thought. But there are books, there are ancient texts which says yoga can cure the disease. So now from the many of the institutes, like we say now at SVSR in Haryana we have, or Patanjali we have, right? So all these places, they started giving yoga for a disease. Mainly the lifestyle disorders, we say, not the infectious disease. We say we cannot treat the dengue, but we can increase the immunity. Like coronavirus, if we take it, right, we can increase the immunity. So where almost Indians, we say it, we all have a good immunity compared to European countries, right? So where yoga can help to boost the immunity of the person. So through that, we want to give yoga for each and every individuals, not just belong to one category of people. We should remove that it is belong to Brahmins, it is only done by the Hindus, or it is only done by the old age people, it is not going to suit for the youngsters. No, yoga can be done from the small children of any religion, of any category. It is in a lifestyle. Yoga, it can be a lifestyle, right? Okay. For people.
And one more question. So how you will differentiate between a naturopathy and allopathy?
Okay, so we say human body is made up of 5 elements, that is Pancha Mahabhutas, which is Prithvi, Aap, Teju, Vayu, Akash. So when these 5 elements are imbalanced, right, we will have a disease. Same thing will match with the Vata Pitta Kapha in Ayurveda. So in naturopathy, this isn't a difference between Ayurveda and naturopathy also. And in the allopathy, it's all chemical based. Right? In naturopathy, it is not chemical based.
Okay.
It is
So
an
as you
elements
said, like,
based.
so if we need a immediate cure, emergency cure, we will required allopathy. So, if we need a periodic
Yeah,
time,
we can say now you have a cold, right? Which is you want to reduce the cold within 30 minutes. You take a tablet, you will see some results that it can reduce these symptoms. Same thing within a body pain if we take it. Take a pill, your body pain is reduced, your headache is reduced, which you people usually take it. But it is if it is in naturopathy, we don't give you if you take a pill it will reduce. No. Yeah, there are some treatments like acupuncture. Of course, if we prick a needle in a proper place or in situ, we can definitely reduce the pain. So
we have done many times. No, I felt.
yeah. So where
I've done that.
naturopathy is given to remove the roots of the disease, right? Where allopathy, they just treat the symptoms, only symptoms. If you have an osteoarthritis, we can give you a better treatment than in allopathy, where we concentrate to remove the disease completely. If not completely, at least we increase the
Okay, so these terminologies or belongs to a very technical person, only can able to understand these terminologies. Come to the point, to the basic people, what they can able to cure in naturopathy, what they cannot.
Okay, what they cannot, we can't cure accidents, cannot treat accidents, emergencies, right? Taken a heart surgery, heart attack. So those and where you require an emergency treatments, we cannot give it definitely in naturopathy. Mainly the road accidents.
So
or
basically,
this,
you will not take knife, scissors,
yeah, kind of.
stitches,
Yes,
everything,
exactly.
right? Okay.
No stitches, but we feel good if a person following in a natural lifestyle. He may not get heart attack, but he may not get hypertension only, right? Diabetes also. So this is where we should follow the natural lifestyle.
So basically, about our habits,
Yeah.
food habit.
Sound body,
Okay.
sound mind with sound environment. We
Okay.
should not violate the environmental rules.
Okay, I'm coming for treatment.
Yeah.
Imagine I have a
Diabetes.
diabetes. Okay, what are the treatments you will give
Okay.
in naturopathy?
So when we give, when we say diabetes, naturopathy and yoga, we should treat both internally and externally. So same thing here I say, externally you apply naturopathy treatments possible, and for internally you should do yoga. So this is where I want to tell yoga and naturopathy goes together.
Okay.
Externally and internally. If you're just putting in externally, we don't get a bigger changes, right? And internally also important, because some of the diseases comes from the stress. Don't ask me now where is the stress in the body, right? So it comes from the stress, where the chemical changes happens in the body when we frustrate or when we cry, all these things. So that emotions which need to be controlled by the yoga. Okay, and when it comes to the naturopathy, definitely diabetes comes because of an imbalance hormones, which secretions doesn't happen in the body. If we say the organ responsible is pancreas, which is there in the body, if it is not producing proper hormones which is required, then we will get the diabetes. So for that thing to be controlled, we will give a diet. Diet is one of the medicine. Right? If we have prescribing the proper diet, we can definitely control it. Okay. With other than the diet and yoga, we have other treatments like the abdominal pack, okay, kidney packs. These are the packs which is done by the prepared by the cloth when we dip in the water, hot and cold applications. All about the elemental theory. I said na Pancha Mahabhutas. Using that Pancha Mahabhutas, we are giving the treatments like hydrotherapy, massage
So
therapy.
these are all like ancient
We can
treatments.
say, yeah, when I say
Like
that.
still, China and Japanese are still following those structure.
Yes, you can say even in India. Okay, you leave China and Japan. Even in India, when you talk about your ancestors, when we have a fever, right? What our ancestors, what our grandparents would, they just put they dip
Kashayam.
a cloth on the water
And they will
and
put on
they'll
a
put on
forehead.
forehead,
Yeah.
right? This is what where they can reduce the temperature.
All right.
Right? So these things, even you said the kashayas, all those things to the diet definitely we can reduce. So we are whatever the treatments our ancestors were doing by this using the 5 elements, now we are making as a nature cure or naturopathy. So it's a nature cure. So nature's only cures, right? So
Okay.
that is nature cure.
Okay. So, how many days it will take to,
Okay.
yeah,
If it
you
depends
got
on
it
the,
right.
yes,
What
I
is
got
my
your
question?
question. So for take it on the diabetes, right? How many days it will reduce or it will cure? You can ask the question. So maybe your question is that. So diabetes, yes. Maybe if you're following proper diet, proper yoga asanas and treatment you are taking regularly, definitely we can 1 or 1.5 month according to either a severity of the disease, we can bring into the normal. At least 1.5 month we require to bring into the normal, and then taper the medicines and all and follow up for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. And with the tapering of the medicines and the doctor's observation, we can definitely cure the diabetes, but it should not be done individually. So I went to naturopathy doctor today. I consulted. She has given the diet for a week, and I follow the same week. And I will don't follow the doctors if you say it will not helpful. Understood? So every monthly once or 3 months once we need to follow up. So
Okay.
that is any of the disease you've taken, migraine.
So, so how you are saying like in India, so still it is not having a great uh, approach from people.
Exactly. We say people are not so much attracting. People are interested illa ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕಿಂತ people not known about it ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, because nowadays if you go for any of the higher officials or higher people like actors, businessman, or some, even you can see this actors and all now switching to yoga than gymnastics, right? Or even the businessman or industrialist people, even the doctors, allopathy doctors are
Okay.
coming for naturopathy, and they want their kids to learn naturopathy and yoga, right? They are understanding now what
It's a
is an,
kind of new lifestyle, like
it's a new lifestyle.
ಜಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಯೋಗ
Yoga
ಮಾಡೋದು
is in a now one
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್
budding.
ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್
Going.
ದಟ್ ಯೋಗ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ and taking selfie and that's all. Posting on Instagram, done and dusted, that's it.
Whatever people think about it,
Okay.
but yes, most of people will get a benefit in that, right? We don't have any side effects, in gym. If we say you do for 3 months, after if you leave you will increase weight, and all these things are there, right? In yoga nothing is there like that, right? You do for 1 year or 3 months or 1 week or whatever, you will not increase weight.
Okay.
Okay, so that is what yoga, it gives a peace of mind. Of course, you do any type of exercise, it's a gym or jogging or walking, it will give a happiness. Same thing with yoga, you'll get a peace of mind also with your happiness. Okay, so your question was, I think, why people are not attracting, right? People are attracting, but nowadays I think in Tamil Nadu we have got 18 colleges of naturopathy. 18 colleges.
And
Before,
in Tamil Nadu, TN government announced like every government hospital should have one department
Of naturopathy, yeah.
So they offered many jobs for
Exactly.
that. So, but other states lalla facilities ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, so other governments are not
It's still coming up, not extant like Tamil Nadu. Even now, in recently Rajasthan have offered the jobs at least I think 5 to 10 posts. And even in Karnataka now for medical officers, they have called for 15 posts. Okay, like different states, I think coming up. Even CCRY, which is in a central body of yoga and naturopathy, at presently they also have offering some few jobs and also opening the institutes in the state wise. Now in Karnataka, near Hassan, I think Ramnagar district, I think it's coming up one more hospital,
Okay.
central.
As of now, how many new diseases have you seen? Have you attended? I mean, you are getting some patients every day, right?
Yeah.
So ಏನಾದ್ರು something new disease ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೀನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದು ಹೇಳೋ ಥರ ಏನಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರೋಪತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
Okay. See, maybe when we say we naturopaths are treating cancer patients, that is also a different, right? Because we all.
No, like cancer is common. The one day you said like one guy is completely puking out whatever he eat, like his intestine
Okay,
became
okay,
like
okay, okay,
closed
okay, okay,
part.
okay. Yeah, yeah,
That
yeah.
like
So
that is
that
completely new, right? So
it's not new.
yeah.
For us, it's not a new. Maybe for
If it comes to a common forum, if you address this issue, everybody will wonder, okay, oh, this is new.
okay,
Something
maybe
is coming out new. Yeah.
maybe the percentage of getting that disease called eclasia cardia, where the
No, you don't want to explain. I'm
okay,
asking like that. See, you are explaining, no, like that new diseases.
okay,
What are there? Like, because nowadays, I have attended that conference along with you in Pondicherry, right?
okay,
One woman told like throughout the world, Asians are getting more new diseases every day.
okay,
Okay, because of our food habits and along with the night shift, whatever we are doing,
okay.
that imbalanced lifestyle. Because of that, we are getting
Yeah, yeah,
something
correct,
new.
Sanju. That is what I'm telling. The thing is, lifestyle disorders. Okay, all of the different lifestyle disorders we are getting it. Okay, we will be not knowing that what will be the next disease we may get it for this generation. Now the diabetes and hypertension is running, right? Now IBS is running, depression is running, anxiety is running. So insomnia is running for all the night
Yeah,
shift people. Right?
yeah, of course.
So these many problems are running at present generation. So new lifestyle disorders may come in after 10 years. We don't know what it might be. This, as I said, eclasia cardia can be increased than diabetes, or IBS can be increased than diabetes. So you people know now what is diabetes. You people may not know what is IBS, right? After 10 years, it may become in larger population. It may come like that. We will get maybe if our lifestyle is spoiling like this. Definitely, we may face and get to know the more lifestyle disorders. Simple. Follow what your ancestors was following. That's it.
But that is the question, no.
Simple.
Now,
Answer is simple. Is it possible to follow? Is left to you.
okay,
It is definitely possible,
it is possible,
right?
but
But the thing is, we are
know,
not able to control
see,
our emotions.
but one thing, Swati, like now I am working, okay, right?
Okay.
So like me, like everybody is working in night shift, and many are working more than 10 hours, 12 hours, and all, right? So because the job demand, okay, and moreover commitments. Because of that, everybody is running out, okay. So are they living? Everybody is living a quality life. No, they are running for money and they want to do something to
I
their
supposed to
family.
say the
But
same thing.
really, this is a quality life.
No, you have to understand the richness is not money. The richness is health. Right? When you understand that, you will not run for that. When you go for the ancestors, the villages, they earn for their purpose of living. Now, why we are earning? We want to collect and collect of only money, right? Not about the friendship, not about the relationship, not about a service minding. Definitely.
So people are not lively, first of all.
Not lively, they are not working for themselves. There is no, where there is no happiness in your job, definitely you'll get one or other disease.
Mm.
Wherever you are, if you are a manager of a company, if you are happy to work that, you will be not having any of the disease. You will not get a stress. Even simply you are just in a uh, owning and offing your laptop, you will get a stress if you don't like it. You'll get a disease automatically. We want to become a manager. After that, the next higher level. The stress is there. And also, we blame that we don't want to work. You're not happy. The final thing, once you come home, you have to be happy. That's it. Simple.
Okay. Thank you, Smriti. Thank you, baby.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you, Sanjeev.